It's a question that most of us don't want to think about. How much does our life cost, or sometimes phrased as how much is my life worth? The answer, of course, is different for everyone. But one thing we all need to think about is how we would provide for our loved ones if something happened to us. One way to do that is by purchasing life insurance. What is life insurance? A life insurance policy is a contract between you and an insurance company. In exchange for regular premium payments, the insurance company agrees to pay a lump sum of money to your beneficiaries if you die while the policy is in effect. So, life insurance provides financial protection and peace of mind for your loved ones in the event of your death. When you buy life insurance, you are essentially purchasing a financial safety net for your loved ones. If something happens to you, your life insurance policy will pay out a lump sum of money to your beneficiaries. This can be a huge help for them in terms of covering funeral costs and other expenses associated with your death. But if you choose a type of life insurance with a cash value, you can also use that money to help pay for college tuition, a mortgage, or any other expenses your family may have. Why you need life insurance? There are a few key reasons why everyone should have life insurance. To provide financial security for your loved ones in the event of your death. To cover funeral expenses and other final costs. To pay off outstanding debts, such as a mortgage or car loan. To provide income for your loved ones if they lose the primary breadwinner in the family. All these reasons mean that life insurance is not just for people with young children or a spouse who depends on them financially. Anyone can benefit from having life insurance, regardless of their age or marital status. Also, it's important to note that you don't have to die to collect on your life insurance policy. If you become disabled and can no longer work, the policy will pay out a lump sum of money to help cover your living expenses. How much life insurance do you need? When it comes to figuring out how much life insurance you need, there is no one-size-fits-all answer. The amount of coverage you need will depend on your individual circumstances. But a good rule of thumb is to purchase coverage that is equal to 8 to 10 times your annual income. So, if you make $50,000 a year, you would want to have life insurance with a face value of $400,000 to $500,000. How to buy life insurance? The best way to buy life insurance is through an independent agent. An independent agent like Prism Insurance Agency represents multiple insurance companies, so he or she can help you find the policy that best fits your needs and budget. Independent agents are also unbiased, which means they will not recommend a particular policy just because it is from their own insurance company. If you are interested in buying life insurance, contact an independent agent today by calling or texting us at 951-243-2800. He or she will help you figure out how much coverage you need and find the best policy for your needs. How much does life insurance cost? The cost of life insurance varies based on a number of factors, including your age, health, and the amount of coverage you purchase. But generally, life insurance is pretty affordable, especially when compared to the cost of not having it. Also, many employers offer group life insurance policies at a discounted rate. For example, my employer offers a life insurance policy with a $250,000 death benefit for just $16 a month. So, how much does your life cost? The answer is different for everyone. But one thing we all need to think about is how we would provide for our loved ones if something happened to us. Types of life insurance. There are two main types of life insurance, term and permanent. Term life insurance is the most basic type of life insurance. It lasts for a fixed period of time, usually 10 or 20 years. At the end of the term, the policy expires, and you need to renew it if you want coverage to continue. This option is good for people who want coverage for a specific period of time, such as until their children are adults, or they retire. It offers many benefits, such as low premiums and the ability to purchase a large amount of coverage. Permanent life insurance is more expensive than term life insurance, but it lasts for your entire lifetime. It also has a cash value that grows over time. You can borrow against the cash value or even take out a loan against it. If you are considering this option, be sure to read the fine print, as there are usually surrender charges if you cancel the policy. This is an excellent option if you want coverage for your entire life, and you want the cash value to grow over time. Which type of life insurance is right for you will depend on your individual needs and circumstances. But both types of life insurance provide a valuable safety net for your loved ones in the event of your death. So, how much does your life cost? The answer is different for everyone. But one thing we all need to think about is how we would provide for our loved ones if something happened to us. Purchasing a life insurance policy is one way to do just that. So, you should give it some serious consideration. These are just a few of the reasons why life insurance is so important. No one knows when their time will come, and it's important to have peace of mind knowing that your loved ones will be taken care of financially if something happens to you. So, what are you waiting for? Get a life insurance policy by calling or texting Prism Insurance Agency 951-243-2800 today.